Hello friends! In today's video, we're exploring the latest home and bedroom gadgets that can elevate your living space in 2024. From smart tech to cozy essentials, these must-have gadgets will transform your home. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting updates. So friends, let's start the video.
Bathroom rugs mat. The Olanley bathroom rug mat, sized at 30x 20 inches, offers a soft and plush feel underfoot, making it perfect for stepping out of the shower or bath. Made from ultra-absorbent microfiber, it quickly soaks up water to keep your bathroom floor dry and safe. The non-slip backing ensures the mat stays securely in place, reducing the risk of slipping. Its modern design and variety of color options make it easy to match with any bathroom decor. Easy to clean, this durable mat is machine washable for hassle-free maintenance. It provides both comfort and functionality, making it a great addition to any bathroom.
This queen-size 4-piece sheet set offers ultimate comfort with its soft, breathable, and cooling fabric. Perfect for a restful night's sleep, the set includes a fitted sheet, flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Made from high-quality materials, these sheets wick away moisture, keeping you cool and comfortable all night long. The deep pockets ensure a snug fit on most mattresses. Easy to care for and durable, this sheet set is perfect for everyday use.
Ant Killer. The Taro T300B Liquid. Ant Killer is an effective solution for eliminating household ants. Its liquid formula attracts ants, allowing them to carry the bait back to the colony, wiping out the entire infestation. The pre-filled bait stations are easy to use and mess-free, perfect for placing in areas where ants are commonly seen. It works quickly to reduce ant activity and offers long-lasting protection. Safe to use indoors, it's a reliable option for keeping your home ant-free.
Shower Liner Clear. The Barossa Design plastic shower liner in clear is a durable and waterproof addition to any bathroom. Made from high-quality PVC-free plastic, it helps keep water inside the shower while maintaining a clean, sleek look. The clear design allows for natural light to flow through, making your shower space feel larger. It features rust-proof grommets for easy hanging and reinforced edges for long-lasting use. This shower liner is also easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for any bathroom setup.
Pillows. Insert. Utopia bedding throw. Pillow inserts are plush, comfortable, and perfect for adding style to your home. Each set includes high-quality pillow inserts that maintain their shape, providing great support for your couch, bed, or chairs. The soft, durable fabric is designed to withstand daily use while staying fluffy and cozy. These inserts come in a variety of sizes to fit any decorative pillow covers, making them versatile for any room. Hypoallergenic and easy to maintain, they're ideal for people with sensitivities. Simply fluff them up after unpacking and they're ready to use. Upgrade your home decor with these luxurious pillow inserts.
Satin pillowcase. The BedSure satin pillowcase for hair and skin in queen size is designed to provide a smooth and luxurious sleeping surface. Made from high-quality satin, it reduces friction on your hair, preventing breakage and frizz, while also being gentle on your skin, helping to minimize wrinkles. The pillowcase's soft, silky texture ensures a comfortable night's sleep, leaving you feeling refreshed in the morning. It's hypoallergenic and breathable, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Available in a variety of colors, it complements any bedroom decor. Easy to care for, it's machine washable and durable for long-lasting use.